Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy M31 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can take slow motion video in your phone Samsung Galaxy M31. First of all, your phone, open camera and here select on more button. Now here select slow motion. Now start recording your video. So whatever you record, that be like a normal video, but after playing that video will be in slow motion. I want to start my video. I use this object onion to take slow motion. Now I stop the video and I play the video that I took. This is the video. Just play it from the camera folder. You can also rotate screen to view in landscape mode. And see the playing. It's playing in slow motion. See the action in the video. Video is in slow motion. So in this way you can easily record slow motion video in your phone Samsung Galaxy M31. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.